Welcome to the present trade tutorial on crafting corridors in Civil 3D using Civil Site Design software. First, launch Civil 3D and navigate to the Civil 3D Output tab. Then, select Create Corridor. You will have the opportunity to name your corridor and modify settings for target surfaces and styles. After selecting Create Corridor, allow a few minutes for the software to generate baselines for each alignment, add regions and apply assemblies influenced by selected variations and template modifications. To inspect your newly formed corridor, go to Tool Space, then Prospector. Here, your corridor will be visible under the name you entered. For managing all your corridors, simply click on Manage Corridors. This will show you all the corridors you've created. And if you're aiming to tweak how your Civil Site Design templates and codes align with Civil 3D's assembly or sub-assemblies, just give the Exchange button a click. This will pop open a window where you can dive into the settings and make any adjustments or changes you need. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've effortlessly crafted a corridor to meet your precise needs. Thanks for watching. Visit our site and follow us on social media for tutorials that boost your skills and to stay informed about the latest software. Connect with Present Trade for more.